Hey there, aspiring fitness enthusiasts. In today's video, we are going to have a heart-to-heart talk about starting a fitness YouTube channel in 2023-24. While fitness is an incredible passion, it's important to understand the current landscape and the challenges that come with it. Let's dive in. The fitness YouTube space is already saturated with talented creators who have covered nearly every aspect of fitness and exercise. From workout routines and nutrition tips to training techniques and motivational content, it feels like every stone has been turned. As a result, many fitness creators are struggling to attract views and grow their channels. The competition is fierce, and it's becoming increasingly difficult to stand out in this crowded arena. Even highly knowledgeable and passionate creators are finding it challenging to gain traction. However, if you still want to showcase your incredible physique, strength, and fitness journey, fear not. There's a way to carve your own path and gain attention in the YouTube world. Consider starting a vlogging channel that combines multiple niches, including fitness, travel, business, and more. By showcasing your fitness journey alongside captivating travel videos, you can offer a unique and refreshing perspective to your viewers. Imagine taking your audience on breathtaking adventures, sharing your fitness routines in exotic locations, and providing insights into the business side of your journey. This multifaceted approach will attract a broader audience and make your channel more appealing in a sea of fitness content. By diversifying your content and incorporating various niches, you'll tap into the interests of different viewers who may not be solely interested in fitness. This increases your chances of building a loyal and engaged audience. So, my fitness enthusiasts, before diving headfirst into a fitness YouTube channel in 2023-24, consider the already saturated market. Instead, embrace a vlogging channel that combines your passion for fitness, travel, business, and more. Explore uncharted territories, captivate your viewers with unique experiences, and build a thriving community. If you found this advice helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights and tips. Remember, the journey is yours to create. This is Career Pioneers signing off.